to the Healing Insights 70-day course. We are on day 40. We are still working on step 3, which is mindset. Today, my healing insight is frustration is a product of our expectations. This is another great healing insight from the 7 habits of highly effective people. This insight clearly defines how and why our frustrations are related to our expectations. I believe the expectations that we place on ourselves, as well as those that society places on us, can lead to great heights of frustration. This book taught me that expectations being placed on us by society do not necessarily match our values or beliefs. Many times, the expectations that are placed on us are inappropriate, unfair, and are just downright ridiculous. Because we are so critical, we tend to place unreasonable expectations on ourselves. So these expectations are not always achievable. Or do they not always take our emotional well-being into consideration? Expectations that are placed on us by family, friends, co-workers, employers, and society can cause huge frustration since we have little to no control of them. So how can we deal with this frustration and expectations that hinder us instead of supporting us? First, you must recognize whose expectations they are. If they are your own expectations, then you need to listen to that critical voice. See what needs to be worked on. Process and release those emotions so that you can see the good in the situation, so that appropriate expectations can be met. If these expectations are placed on us by others or society, you must determine if you want to be held accountable for them or not. I know it is not always easy and it doesn't seem like you have a choice, but you do. You can learn techniques of time management, stress relief, and coping skills. Also, you can learn how to say no even to the most important people in your life. These techniques will help you not to fill your plate with expectations that are meaningless. Once time management, stress relief, and coping skills are in place, they will help you to meet expectations that are attainable. This will help you reduce procrastination and relieve tension around not having enough time. It will also improve productivity so that expectations can be met in a reasonable time frame. Again, mindset is a factor related to this healing insight. It is not so much what the expectation is, but how you perceive it. Even just changing from a scarcity to an abundant mindset can help you realize if expectations are reasonable. This will help you decide if you should be responsible for them. If expectations do not have your best interest at hand, then you need to evaluate how you can use other skills to minimize the amount of expectations that are placed on you. Even the simplest ways of excusing yourself from a task or an expectation that has been asked of you can relieve so much frustration. This will allow you to honor your mind, body, soul, and spirit by giving you a voice in what tasks and expectations you are responsible for. Some ways that you can accomplish this is by simply saying, I would love to help out, but I'm feeling like I'm not the right person for this. Then provide a resource. Or you can say, right now, I'm focusing on my personal well-being, and I have committed 6 weeks to myself. So I am not taking on any other tasks. Believe me, the ability to say no is the best skill that you can ever acquire in your life. It will help you from being pressured into things that you feel are not necessary, not your responsibility, and many times just a waste of your time and energy. It is a skill that needs to be honed. But the sooner you start using it, the better you will be at being diplomatic, polite, and sincere about declining. Remember, this course is to teach you how to create a space to heal, to start nurturing your entire being, to be able to apply self-care to all levels of your life. You must remember, you matter. Your time matters. Your energy matters. Your mind, your body, your soul, and your spirit matter. So take these steps to heal yourself so you can create the life you deserve, so you can live a full life. The activity, soul-searching questions, and daily challenge are listed in the workbook under day 40. Pause the video now and print out your sheet or grab your notebook and a pen. Activity, AAA checklist, instructions. Decide if the expectation meets all 3 aspects. Is it appropriate, attainable, and appreciated? List a reason why under yes or no that it is any of those 3. So here's a little FYI. Appropriate means it is right for you. Attainable, is it within reach? Appreciated, does it value your time, energy, and well-being? So you will have a sheet and it will have appropriate, attainable, and appreciated in the left column. And then the expectation will be above and it will say yes or no. You just check mark whether it is or it is not and list a reason why it is or is not any of those 3. Take your time. Remember, this is your course. These are skills that need to be learned. Moving on. Soul-searching questions. What emotions did you have as you did the AAA checklist activity? What memories came up as you determined if the expectation was right for you? How did the AAA checklist help you decide which expectations are right for you? All right, daily challenge. Honor your mind, body, soul, and spirit. Turn hope into action. Start nurturing your entire being today. Apply self-care to all levels of your life. Apply time management, stress relief, and coping skills to achieve your expectations. Okay, I will see you in the next video.